We'll use the Lishi HU1 decoder to get the beatings of HU162. This decoder is for latest Volkswagen and Audi. First of all, connect the Bluetooth with the machine. Please find the menu, 2-in-1 decoder. Search the key HU162 and select the 9 cards. You will see the calculator because of this special key. Let's study how to get the beatings and how to calculate automatically. First of all, please insert the decoder into the lock. First step, get the ignition angle before lockpick. How to operate? Move the pinch bar to the first cut. Touch the pinch bar if it's elastic. Here is elastic. Remember, before lockpick, we need the position that's not elastic. 3 angles, 30, 60, and 90. We will see the first angle is 60. Please record the first angle 60 into the calculator. Move the pinch bar to the second one. In the same way, touch the pinch bar if it's elastic. Not elastic like this before lockpick. This angle is 90. Record the second angle into the calculator. Go on moving the lifter to the third one. Touch it elastic. Try the other position. Not elastic. The angle is 60. Record the angle 60 into the calculator. We already finished the angle before lockpick. The second step, we have to turn the lock on and get the angle after lockpick. This step is how to pick this lock. Find the waffles by elastic touch. There's a waffle here. Please look for every waffle position by elastic touch. We also can follow the lock cylinder picture to look for every waffle's position. Let's pick it step by step. Same as the other decoder. Touch it, not elastic, and pick it. Next one, not elastic, pick it. Go on, find the waffle whether it's elastic. If elastic, pass. We also have to pick the angle position. In the same way, if it's not elastic, please pick it. Not elastic, please pick it. Not elastic here. Go on looking for the other one, whether it's elastic or not. We also pick all waffles. We already turned the lock on. The third step, we have to get the angle after lockpick. Pay attention. After lockpick, we need elastic position after lockpick. The first is 60. Record the 60 into the calculator. Look for the pinch bar to the second position. Please pay attention. It must be elastic. The angle is 60. In the same way, record the 60 into the calculator. Please find the third position angle. The third angle is 60. Input 60 into the calculator. The ignition lock is ready. Both sides B and C are ready automatically. We will get the key beating from the 4th woofer to the 9th woofer. The 4th number is 4. 1, 2, 2, 4, 2. All ready. And now, let's cut a new key. Input them into the calculator. 4, 1, 2, 2, 4, 2. Click Convert. It will show the real key beatings. At last, click Cut Keys. Click Continue. Key beatings ready. Let's cut a new key. How to operate. Pay attention. If you click Cut, it says, please change the cutter 1.5. Enter 1.5. Change the cutter 1.5, depending on guiding picture. Pay attention. The cutter must be installed on the top. If it gets ready, click OK. This step says how to adjust the probe height level. If it's ready, click OK. If all gets ready, it's time to cut a new key. Install the key blank according to the guiding picture. Click Cut and start to cut the key. There is a little groove. Pay attention. Groove is up on the clamp. Please set the groove B on the application. Check the guiding picture with the key installation. The key beatings will automatically appear. Click Cut and Continue and cut the key. Click Group C. Please check the guiding picture with the key installation on the clamp.